Planning a garden party and want to wow your guests with beautiful decor? Whether it's a birthday, bridal shower, or casual get-together, the right decorations can turn your backyard into a magical escape. From lighting to table settings, today's video covers garden party decoration ideas that blend nature with creativity for a truly unforgettable celebration. Let's get started. Before we dive into today's video, I'd like to welcome you to Decorpediya, your go-to source for home decor inspiration. We bring you creative ideas to transform your space with style and ease, helping you elevate every corner of your home effortlessly. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell icon so you never miss out on our latest decor inspirations. Now, let's get started. Can I add hanging decorations? Yes, hang paper lanterns, bunting, floral hoops, or even dream catchers from tree branches, pergolas, or tents. These add height and charm to the overall setup without cluttering the ground. Like and share if you love hanging garden decor ideas. Are balloons suitable for a garden party? Absolutely. Use pastel or neutral-colored balloons for elegance. Balloon garlands look stunning along arches, tables, or trees. Just secure them well and avoid overusing bright primary colors unless that's your theme. Share your favorite balloon color combo in the comments. How can I decorate the entrance to the garden party? Make a strong first impression with a welcome sign, balloon arch, or floral garland on a gate or archway. Use a chalkboard with the party name or greeting for a personalized touch. Like and save this video if you love entrance decor ideas. Can I use a tent or canopy in garden decor? Yes, tents and canopies offer shade and structure. Decorate them with draped fabric, ivy, fairy lights, or hanging florals. They help define dining or lounge spaces while adding a whimsical feel. Subscribe for more budget decor tricks. How can I set up a stylish beverage station? Decorate a cart or table with a drink dispenser, mason jars, and floral or citrus garnishes. Add a sign like Sip Spritz and style it with flowers, straws, and ice buckets for a chic refreshment zone. Like this tip? Save this video to your decor playlist. How can I decorate with flowers naturally? Use flowers from your garden or local florist. Drape flower garlands along tables, fences, or railings. Hang flower bunches upside down, or make a DIY floral chandelier using a hula hoop and string. Like this idea? Tap the bell to get notified for new videos. How can I use lighting to elevate the atmosphere? Lighting adds magic, especially as the sun sets. Hang string lights across trees or fences. Use lanterns, fairy lights in jars, or solar-powered stakes along pathways. Soft lighting creates a cozy, romantic feel. How do I incorporate nature elements in decor? Let the natural setting shine. Use leaves as place cards, wood slices as chargers, or pine cones and dried flowers in table decor. Embrace the season. Spring blooms or autumn leaves can inspire your entire look. Comment what season you're hosting your party in. What are some budget-friendly garden party decor hacks? Use recycled jars as candle holders or vases. DIY garlands with paper or fabric scraps. Borrow items like chairs, cloths, or props. Let nature do most of the work and just enhance it thoughtfully. Like this tip? Subscribe for more budget decor tricks. What are some creative centerpiece ideas? Try potted plants in decorative containers, tiered trays with fruits, or floating candles in bowls. Seasonal flowers arranged in watering cans or mason jars also bring garden charm to the table. Drop it in the comments if floral centerpieces are your favorite. What are some ideas for photo backdrops? Create a DIY backdrop using flower walls, ivy curtains, fabric panels, or balloon arches. Frame it with fairy lights or props for a Pinterest-worthy photo spot your guests will love. Tag a friend you'd love to take garden party pics with in the comments. What kind of table setup works best outdoors? Use a long wooden table or picnic-style setup with benches. Decorate with linen runners, fresh flowers, and mismatched vintage tableware. Use chargers, cloth napkins, and name cards for an elevated touch. Like this idea? Hit the thumbs up. What's a fun way to add seating? Incorporate mix and match seating. Think rattan chairs, colorful cushions, or poofs. Lay out picnic blankets with pillows for a laid-back vibe. Create lounge zones with palettes and soft throws. Subscribe for more such videos. What's a good way to add signage? Use chalkboards, rustic wooden signs, or printed boards with messages like welcome, eat, drink, and enjoy, or photo booth this way. Signage adds personality and helps guide guests around your garden layout. Like this tip? Save the video to your party planning playlist. What's the best theme for a garden party? Start with a clear theme. It sets the tone. Popular choices include rustic chic with wooden elements, floral and pastel for elegance, or tropical vibes with palm leaves and pineapples. Your theme will guide all other decor decisions. Like this video if you're excited to plan your perfect garden party. With a little creativity, your garden party can be unforgettable. Use these ideas to make it magical and meaningful. Your guests will remember it for years. Don't forget to like, comment your favorite decor idea, and subscribe for more outdoor celebration tips.